Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Crafting Essentials. My name's Farrell Taylor and today I'm going to give you a few tips on how to keep your paintbrushes clean. I get asked this question a lot when I'm teaching, so I thought it would be perfect to do a little bite-sized tutorial on how I do that. So next we're going to get onto brush cleaning. So I have a few paintbrushes that I have left to go hard. You can see here it's got some stickiness. I don't know what that is on there. Also have a dirty paintbrush. So here I have just some water and we want some dishwashing liquid. Now I tend to do this every time I go to use my paintbrushes and it sits on my desk. And what this does is it cleans your brushes. Just use paper towel just to clean the excess off. And I just have this sitting on my desk all day and I try to remember to clean it, empty it every day. If you don't and your water has evaporated from your cup, there is a way to save your brushes. And I think that is what happened with these ones. Now I have had on the stove top some white vinegar and I've brought that to the boil. And I now have that in my cup. So paintbrushes, we're going to pop in there to soak. Now it is going to start changing colour as the product comes out. Now I would probably let this soak for maybe 10-15 minutes. So while that's soaking, I am also going to put a little bit more hand sanitizer into a little cup. And you'll need some paper towel. And we are also going to be using the dishwashing liquid in the water. So let's grab this one. So you can see now, it'll be hot, but we can bend it. So I'm going to pop it in my soapy water. And I'm going to pop it back in to the vinegar. This one I'm going to pop into the hand sanitizer. So you can see it's actually changed the colour because the dirt is coming out. And then back in, and you want to keep doing this process until your brushes are clean. You can also use, I have here rubbing alcohol. So now we can bend the brush and they're clean. So don't throw away your paintbrushes. They don't need to go to paintbrush heaven. It just takes a little time to clean. So come back with this one. So hand sanitizer. And it may just take, a few processes going back and forth, trying to clean it. Bring the water. Back in the vinegar while it's still hot. And just repeat the process. So one more tip, if you find, so you You see, I still have some residue on my paintbrush. So the rest of it is clean. You get a comb and just brush it through. You'll be able to get some of that residue off. Again, it's going to be a process, but if you can save your paintbrushes, I think it's worth it. But it is back to being a usable brush. And that wraps up today's tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your questions or suggestions in the comments below. Until next time, happy crafting.